The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hubbard County, southeastern Beltrami County, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Funkley to near Pennington to near Nary, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bemidji, Blackjack, Hines, Rosby, Funkley, Pennington, and Nary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. For north-central Minnesota,